Operating the control panel.
Let's do it. To open the control panel, click on the Start button. Click on the control panel. The control panel window opens.
Setting the desktop background.
Let's do it. To set the background of the desktop, in the control panel window, in the Appearance category, click on the Change Desktop Background. Select a picture to apply as the background. Click on Save Changes button. The picture will set as the desktop background.
Setting the screensaver.
Let's do it. To set the screensaver, in the control panel window, click on the Appearance. Click on Change Screensaver. The Screen Save Settings dialog box opens. Select a screensaver from the Screensaver drop-down list. Click on OK button.
Gadget.
Let's do it. To add a gadget on the desktop, in the control panel window, click on the Appearance. In the Desktop Gadgets category, click on Add Gadgets to the desktop. The gadget gallery appears. Double-click on any gadget which you want to add. The gadget will get displayed on the desktop.
Changing the double-click speed.
Let's do it. To change the double-click speed to slow, in the control panel window, click on the Hardware and Sound. In the Devices and Printers category, click on Mouse option. The Mouse Properties dialog box opens. Slide the speed slider towards Slow marked End. To test the double-click speed, you can double-click here. Click on the Apply button. The double-click speed will change.
Changing the shape of pointers.
Let's do it. To change the pointer scheme, in the Control Panel window, click on Hardware and Sound category. In the Devices and Printers category, click on the Mouse option. The Mouse Properties dialog box opens. Click on the Pointers tab. From the drop-down list, select the pointer scheme. Click on the Apply button. The shape of the pointers will change accordingly.